Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to plan a future trip on Waze. Whether you're trying to schedule your daily commute in advance, or you simply want to make sure you know the best route ahead of time, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, even if you've never planned a trip on Waze before. First, open your Waze app and go to the menu section. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Planned Drives. Take your time to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the little plus sign to create a new planned trip. You'll see a field where you can enter your first destination. Once you've typed in your location, set the desired time for your trip and click Save. This helps Waze calculate the best route based on your schedule and expected traffic conditions, which is really handy for avoiding surprises and delays. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your location permissions are set to allow all the time so Waze can accurately plan your route. And double-check that your device's time zone and clock are correct. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary issues when your trip comes up. Once you've saved your first destination, go back to the Planned Drives section and add any additional stops or destinations if needed. After that, Waze will show you the full route for your planned trip, including estimated travel time and traffic conditions. It's also a good idea to review the route the day before your trip to make sure everything is still accurate. This ensures your drive goes smoothly and avoids any last-minute surprises. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to plan a future trip on Waze easily and efficiently, giving you peace of mind and more control over your journey. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be planning trips too. You might just make someone's travel day a little easier. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips on making your driving experience smoother.